Here was the summing up of our journey to Bursa. It was a wonderful one-day travel from Istanbul to Bursa and back. If you are following with our previous video, we arrived from Cappadocia via Turkish Airline to ATTATURK HAVALIMANI on Sunday. Then we took an airport metro to YUSUFPASA. The M1 airport metro ride took around 45 minutes. If you were at Istanbul card was compulsory. It cost us Turkish lira 6 and need to be reloaded. After settling all the luggage at the hotel, it was time for us to catch a kebab and started our exploration on the first day in Istanbul. The Blue Mosque. Blue Mosque or Sultan Ahmed Jami' is an Ottoman historical mosque with 6 minarets. At that time, it was massive renovation and conservation work around the corner. We walked to Arasta Bazar just at the side of the mosque. The weather was cool and the scenery was outrageous. Time to snatch our camera and experience the street food nearby. It was a new day and we went to another historic monument, Basilica CISTERN, just located at the roadside of Sultan Ahmed. The fee was Turkish lira 30 per person. After that, we continued the journey to Gulhane Park in addition to enter Topkapi Palace via Istanbul Archaeological Museum. Topkapi Palace situated on the hill just in front of the Bosphorus Straits. The ticket cost Turkish lira 60 per person. The surrounding was huge with the marvelous palaces and outstanding park. We also can saw the Prophet Muhammad possession were kept in the palace. As for your information, there is a Malaysian restaurant in Istanbul owned by the Malaysian Nur Muhammad and serve Malaysian delicacies. A must-visit place in Istanbul are bazaars. Spice Bazaars is seated at Eminönü near the Galata Bridge. It was full of spices, coffee, local food, Turkish delight, fabrics and household accessories. We wrapped up the day just sat at the port in Eminönü to enjoy the view. On the other day, we visited to another huge monument called Hagia Sophia. At that time, there was still an entrance fee charged to all tourists, Turkish lira 60. The church originally was converted to mosque, to museum, then back to mosque nowadays. After taking some light snack, we took the tram to Laleli University and then walked to Venezuela and then take another metro train M2 to Taksim station. Upon arrive at Taksim station, we exited to Taksim Square nearby and walked to Istiklal in searching for Hard Rock Cafe. Next, another attraction, Galata Tower. We need to board the metro again from Taksim station to CISTERN and walk around 500 meters to Galata Tower. The entrance fee was Turkish lira 45, but we decided not to enter because it was raining and the long queue. We ended the cold day with a night cruise alongside the Straits of Bosphorus. Good morning, Asia. We started the day by having a breakfast at the hotel before took the T1 tram to Eminönü Port. Then we ride a sea bus to Kadıköy, the ancient site of Istanbul. We then walked to the morning market in Kadıköy. There were so many fresh goods sold here such as strawberries, olive and many more. We tasted local delicacies and street food, the sweet and crunchy portion, the tasteless sea meat and hamsi tava, and surprisingly, they were cheap. After a half day at Kadıköy, we were moving back to European Istanbul and went to Grand Bazaar for a souvenir and Turkish delight shopping spree before our flight back to Malaysia scheduled tomorrow. At the humongous old Grand Bazaar with 4,000 shops, we took our chances to try boza, salib and menemen and it was delicious. We hope to come again to Istanbul. Bye and thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.